my fidgets. First, I'm gonna put on the puppets right here. Next are these jelly thingies. I have 3 of them. I'm gonna pull this here. My blue one. My pink one. And this. I'm gonna shorten this up a bit. Okay, so I just picked something. There, just put it there. And I'll just put my fidget pad right here. Now the one my brother has it, his my banana stress ball right here. My needle. My squishy is gonna be right here. My U-turn. Where do I put this? You know what? I'm gonna reorganize this. I'm gonna put my squishy here. These little dinos, I'm not gonna use them by. I don't need this. This has poop on it. Ew. I'm gonna organize this. So here it is. So I'm gonna put this right here. And then I'll just put this here. Yeah, it's organized now. And I have another one of these, so I'll just put it on top of here or there. And I'm gonna scooch this up here so I could fit the other fidget pad there. I also put in my giveaway sticker. If you wanna win this, you just gotta like, subscribe, and comment down below your name. And I have to tell you guys something. It's a prank. Yeah, I'm not really giving away anything. I will one day, but I'm just gonna put this here. Where's my other fidget pad? Oh, there it is. So, other fidget pad putting over here. Hopefully it fits. Okay, so I just messed it up. I'm gonna find the lid. Where is the lid? Oh, it's over there. This lid. Okay, so this is what it looks like from now. Top. Okay, my brother wants this now. Just throw it to him. And you better be good for this here like that. I'm gonna hide this. So you usually just put it here or over there. This is my toy set. Lex over here. Alex is over here. I included more toys right now. So got some food here. Toys. And my other foods is in another bag. And I'm trying to turn it now, and I can't. So I just lost my bag. I don't know where it is, but oh, it's here, it's right here. So this is my bag of toys. The other one was the box. So I'm gonna get out all my food from the refrigerator. I think it's gonna be a part 2. So here's the refrigerator. So I got new, like, these are erasers. So hard getting them out. So this is my donut eraser. This is my cupcake eraser. And here are the toppings. Got this, and here's my milk. So this basically goes like this. This has three parts, and it's an eraser. This is a donut one, and I love this because pink is my 3rd favorite color. So these, I'm gonna put them in there. Let's go. Okay, I don't think I have enough space, but I'll just put this here and this one here, and hopefully it closes. And yeah, I think it will close. Yeah, it will close. And what's in here? There's the egg. Nothing is in there. So this is my refrigerator. It's from Calico Critters. You can take this out too, but I don't want to show it because I'll have to put it back in again. I put them whenever I want to. And let's see. There's nothing here. Just bunch of like, they're called nom noms, and these are the cereal set. And yeah. So this is my donut one. It's a bear. This is my, I don't know what this is, spaghetti, but this is pink and it's a bear. This is a flower and I don't know what this is. Kind of looks like a pancake and it's a pink one. Put them in another side. Here is my character, my OC. But I'm gonna change it right away. Grew. Okay, that was weird. Okay, so I have one of these from the kitchen set. Calico Critters, a pencil. This phone is an eraser too. I have lots of erasers, even if I don't use them much often. This is still an eraser. And this, you probably know it from the kitchen set from Calico Critters. Let me check in here. There's nothing in here that much. This is in there though. That's basically all what I use, y'all. I'm not gonna use this because I already have phones. This is still not my character. I'm changing my character into this. So her name is not like my name. Like comment down below what you think her name is, and then actually I'm gonna name her. How about I'm gonna name her Afro. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is one of my toys and fidgets. That's it. Bye.